Today, I'm going to tell you a stunning truth that will transform your life forever. You are God. I don't mean this metaphorically or spiritually. I mean this literally and factually. You are God, and you have the ability to manifest everything you desire in life using the power of your mind. Neville Goddard, a visionary philosopher, dared to reveal the fundamental power of assumption, demonstrating how, by continually thinking we already have our wants, we can manipulate the happenings in our lives. While Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption are sometimes connected with the law of attraction, he considered them to be two distinct principles. He believed that the law of attraction, which claims that we attract what we focus on, provided an insufficient representation of our mind's power. Goddard believes that thinking encouraging thoughts and affirmations is not enough. We must also challenge our deeply held beliefs about ourselves and our reality. This is where the law of assumption comes into play. Neville Goddard maintains that the only law that controls how your desires materialize is the law of assumption. According to him, the law of attraction is secondary and is only effective when it is in harmony with the law of assumption. He said that the law of assumption is the cause and the law of attraction is the effect. But how can one assume that they already have what they seek when their present circumstances seem to contradict it? Keep on watching because I'm about to reveal the secret of how to actually do that. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation and get rid of limiting beliefs and maintain your positive affirmations, get your free guide down in the link below. I'll start by explaining how the law of assumption operates. The law of assumption works by impressing your subconscious mind with your new reality through the use of your imagination and feelings. Everything in your life is manifested by your subconscious mind, which is the creative force behind your dominant beliefs and assumptions. Subconscious minds lack the ability to reason, judge, or question. It merely reflects back to you in the outside world whatever you imprint onto it as the truth. Assuming that your desire has been granted is one approach to alter your inner world, which is necessary if you want to alter your outside reality. You have to picture yourself having your desire and experiencing the associated feelings in order to assume the sense of your request being granted. Instead of acting as though it hasn't been completed yet, you must act as though it has. You have to live in the end, not in the means. Famous comedian and actor Jim Carrey did just this when he was having trouble breaking through in Hollywood.
So didn't you write yourself a check? I heard that you did. Is that true?
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. And I put it in my wallet, and I kept it there, and it deteriorated and stuff. But then, just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah.
By Thanksgiving 1995, he had made exactly the same amount of money he had put on his fake check, $10 million. You may create a new reality, a new vibration, and a new state of awareness by imitating instances such as these. Furthermore, since your new reality is already true in your consciousness, it must also materialize in your physical reality as per the law of assumption. Here are 3 simple steps you can apply to use the law of assumption and quickly actualize your desire in order to make things easier for you. The first step is to choose your desire. What are you hoping to materialize? Choose your greatest want with care. What is it that you long to see come to pass? The opportunities are endless. You can have everything you want, whether it's more money, a better place to live, the discovery of your true love, conquering challenges in your health, reaching new heights of pleasure and success, or anything else you can think of. Your imagination is the only restriction, so be sure that your wish is something you truly want rather than something you feel you should want or that someone else wants for you. Something that fills you with enthusiasm, passion, and delight should be your desire. Once your desire has been determined, clearly and positively express it in writing. For example, if you wish to attract more money, you may write something like, "I am wealthy and abundant. I have more than enough money to live the life I've always wanted." If you wish to manifest a loving relationship, write something like, "I am in a happy and harmonious relationship with my soulmate. We genuinely respect and adore one another." The second step is to assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. This is the most significant and effective phase because it triggers the law of assumption and impresses your subconscious mind with your new reality. You have to picture yourself having your want and experiencing the associated feelings in order to assume the sense of your request being granted. Although there are other approaches to accomplish this, the I remember when method is among the best. Neville Goddard also taught this method, which involves recalling a period in time when you lacked your want and comparing it to the present when it is present. Let's say, for instance, that you wish to attract more money. Then you might tell yourself, I remember when I was having trouble making ends meet, and now I have plenty of money to live the life I want. Or let's say you wish to attract a romantic partnership. In this scenario, you might tell yourself, I remember when I was lonely and single. I currently live in a contented and peaceful relationship with my soulmate. Saying these things with sincerity and as though they were real at that very moment is crucial. Say them not as a hope or a wish, but as a fact. Experience the love, confidence, relief, thankfulness, and pleasure that come with realizing your dream. Feel it with your entire being, body, heart, and soul. Feel it as if it were real, because it is. It's something you're making with your imagination and emotions. The third and last phase is to remain consistent with the assumptions you have made. This implies that until your request materializes in your actual world, you have to hold on to the idea that it has already been granted. Don't allow fear, doubt, or negative thoughts cloud your judgment. Do not search for signs, evidence, or external validation. Don't worry about where, how, or when your wish will materialize. Simply have faith that it will, as it must. The law of assumption is a law, not a theory. It consistently and without fail works for everyone. With conviction and emotion, anything you believe to be true will materialize as truth and become your reality. It's as simple as that, but you have to be consistent and persistent in your assumption. Living from the end is what's required, not from the middle. Instead of acting as though you are waiting for your want, you must act as though you already have it. At first, this could seem difficult, particularly if your present circumstances don't seem to align with your desires, but keep in mind that your present reality is just a reflection of your prior beliefs. It is unrelated to any assumptions you may have, either current or future. By changing your assumptions, you can change your reality. You can accomplish this immediately by implementing the 3 easy steps we just discussed. To further strengthen this and give it even more power, remember the following. Ignore the world as it is right now. Don't allow facts or outside situations to refute your hypothesis. Remember that your current circumstances are only reflections of your prior beliefs and that the only genuine reality is your imagination. Assume that the situation you seek is already yours by concentrating on it. Accept everything. Never dispute or resist anything that occurs in your life. Rather, acknowledge every aspect as a component of your manifesting journey. Accept anything that life throws at you and have faith that it will bring about the results you want. Always return to your assumption. Remind yourself of your assumption and the sensation of having your wish granted whenever you are feeling doubtful or fearful. Recite your affirmations aloud. Visualize your desired scene or listen to subliminal messages that support your assumption. Don't let negative emotions take over your mind. Declare positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce your belief and confidence. Affirmations are a useful tool for overcoming uncertainties and worries as well as for affirming your ideal condition. Saying, I am confident and fearless is one example. I am worthy and deserving of my desire, or I am living my wish fulfilled. Accept your doubts and anxieties. Oftentimes, facing your doubts and worries head-on is the greatest way to get over them. Rather than dismissing or denying them, accept and release them. To accomplish this, you can write them down, speak with someone, practice cleansing or meditation, or any combination of these. By letting go of your doubts and anxieties, you may create space for more empowering and optimistic ideas. You will achieve your goals if you adhere to these guidelines. Choose what you want. Pretend that your request has been granted and hold on to that belief. Observe how your life changes right before your eyes. You have the capacity to create anything you desire with your thoughts because you are the creator of your reality. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about more content like this.